we're utilizing a lot more today that I don't think we knew about is Spaces is enabling us to turn Rocketlane into more of a customer success tool due to the fact that it's not a customer success tool today. It's allowing us to embed sheets and status reports and communication logs and project charters. We have complex project management plans for every project that we kick off, all the way from RACIs to risk logs, issue management plans, all that live inside of a Google Sheet that we embed in Spaces and share out with our customers that could potentially be part of a Rocketlane offering that we're building on our own and letting it live within Spaces, which is better than nothing, because I can then copy that out into every single project. Because we view Rocketlane in two ways for us. We have our project tabs, and we have, let's use Spotify's being implemented today. We have Spotify implementation. That's one project. When Spotify goes live, we will have Spotify ongoing as a separate. And that's what our CSM will have. We'll have two projects. So in every single customer that's currently in implementation, there's an implementation project, and in Spaces, I have a few different sheets saved in there. I have a status report sheet. I have a project plan sheet. I have a communication log sheet, and those all feed into a master sheet that our management team can organize and understand what's the status of projects within there. That then doesn't require someone like our CEO to be in Rocketlane frequently to get updates. So there's a push and pull there.